search my notes, pull up what I need, write new ones for me. That's Hermes-Agent wired into Obsidian running on local model via Ollama. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, this is what we are going to do. We are going to join all these three amazing tools and we will do it all for free locally and privately. I have recently started this free weekly AI newsletter which you can subscribe at fahadmirza.substack.com. Let me take you straight to my terminal where I have this Ubuntu server. I have one GPU card and the reason why I am showing you this GPU card is because of this Ollama model which is already running. You can use any model of your choice. I also have already Hermes installed. Let me quickly do the Obsidian first. Obsidian is a local first markdown note taking app, and Hermes has a bundled skill that lets it read, search, and write notes straight into Obsidian Vault on disk. And that is what I'm creating at the moment. And Obsidian Vault is just a folder of markdown files, and you can see that we have just created one folder. Let me now create a dedicated Hermes profile so this setup doesn't touch any of other model profiles here. And Hermes-Agent is an open source agentic framework that gives any LLM, local or cloud, the ability to use tools, run commands, and work with files. Our profile is created. Let me now quickly set up all the configuration. Let me paste it. So what this is doing, it is setting my local model with Ollama, and it is pointing to the Ollama's default port and localhost. Plus it is setting this current 3.627 billion with increased max tokens, and then the working directory where we just have created that vault. Okay, so once that's done, let me clear the screen and show you that how to tell Obsidian skill exactly where the vault lives, and that is what I'm doing. I'm just setting that Obsidian's vault path. Next up, just set a placeholder API key. Since Ollama doesn't need a real one, but Hermes expects the field to be non-empty, so I have just put in there for the heck of it. Let me clear the screen, and now you can simply test it out by doing obs config show. It is going to show all the config. There you go. So if there is any error, you will see it here. So you can see that the vault is configured, all the paths are configured, there is no API key, nothing. And this is our model running locally, and all the rest of the default stuff is there. And I also have verified that my model is configured and replying, as you can see, with this profile. Let me now show you how to create the first note with Obsidian skill. So this command is telling Hermes-Agent to use Obsidian skill, which is a default skill. The great thing is that you don't really have to even create it. And all I'm asking it to do is to create my first note in the empty vault called as llama.cpp basics with a short paragraph explaining what llama.cpp is and then confirm the file was written. Let's run this. It is working at the moment. And meanwhile, if you are looking to rent a GPU on very good price, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. Also, if you want to help out the channel, please become a member. And there you go. You can see that it already has got the skill note taking for Obsidian. And now it is preparing that terminal. It is checking if my environment variable is set. I should have set it, but anyway, it was able to find it from my configuration. And I'll just take you up to show you. There you go. So it is writing it. It is checking if there was anything. There was nothing. So it is just doing plus, which means it is adding everything after doing the diff. And now it is telling us that it has been created and it has been done at basics.md in the markdown file, and bit of a detail what exactly that is. So how cool is that? And now we are going to show that agent searches the vault for a note and read it back to us. So you see that I'm asking it to use that skill to search my vault for any note mentioning llama.cpp. And It was able to find the path. That is great. And now it is able to search it. It says has found matches, basics.md, and now it is reading that note in full. And it is using multiple tools in order to accomplish this task. There you go. So it has read it and it has given me the whole result as is. And now what we are going to do, we are going to create a second note and link it back to the first, showing how the agent builds Obsidian's connected node graph. So you can see that I have put it in my note in my chat prompt. There you go. And here is the payoff. You can see from the output that the agent has created a second node, added a wiki link back to the first. Those double brackets are how Obsidian connects nodes and then confirms both exist in the vault. And you can see that it has written the file twice. That's a smaller local model being less efficient, but then it recognized and the end result is correct. So pretty good. I think if you are using even a better model instead of a quantized one, this will be even shorter. And now let's try one more test. This time what I'm going to do, as you can see, I'm not even mentioning any skill here. So this time I'm not even taking the name of Obsidian. I'm just going to ask it for a note. The question is whether the agent figures out on its own that this is an Obsidian job and reaches for the right skill. So it is just a neutral note titled Flux Capacitor Theory with short paragraph explaining how it works. That's about it. So let's see if it is able to trigger that Obsidian skill completely on its own. I never named it, and let's see if it is able to load that skill and if it is able to find the vault on its own, because I haven't even set the path to it. So yes, it was able to get that Obsidian skill. That is great. And now it is getting that path. Also, the path has been obtained. That is pretty good. And now it is creating that short paragraph. That was also very quick, and it's a new note. It has added it in that path and without me telling it anything about that skill or the vault path. That is pretty cool, I would say. So that's a combo I wanted to show to you in this video. Hermes-Agent gives the model hands to actually do things, and this Obsidian gives it a clean, local, plain text home for everything it writes. Together they turn a plain chat model into something that manages your notes for you, searching, reading, and adding to them on command. And you can see that I haven't given it any API key. It's all free, just marked down files I own. Give the model good input and it's genuinely useful. Note taking partner running entirely on your own machine, and you can of course attach it to any Discord or Telegram or whatever you like. That's it. Let me know what do you think. Again, a request, if you want to help out the channel, please become a member. Thank you for all the support.